You ready? Go.
Hi, my name's Vincent.
Ready? Okay.
Go.
Just go. Did we finish leaning up against the hanger?
And my name is Patrick, and we are going to do some funny noises and some funny dances. So, get over here, Vincent. Alright, since we're in our playroom, then we have to climb over the wall to get over, which is very painful. Alright, check the view. Check the sight. Is this good?
Yep.
Alright, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go. Do the alley dance! Move your face! Don't talk as much! Do the alley dance! What up? Watch out. Oopsies. There's a ball coming at you. Okay, and that is our funny noises and funny dances. So, see you next time.